You can use autograph to illustrate the trapezium rule. So in this question, we're going to use the trapezium rule with 5 ordinates, 4 strips, with this equation here. So I'm going to switch over to autograph. I'm going to load up my usual page. Here we are. I'm going to type in the equation. So the equation is y equals 2 to the x all over, in brackets again, x plus 1. There we go. So there's our equation of 2 to the x over x plus 1. Now then, so if we want to use trapezium rule for this, between 0 and 4, the question said. So I put my points in. I go back onto mouse mode. I'm going to select both points. I'm then going to create the area. Now, I've got various options here. General will just give me, it will fill in the area, as you can use if you just want to illustrate integration. But we've got other options. The trapezium rule is here, so we can split it up into trapezia. Now then, we can see here that we've got 5 trapezia. You're able to edit that if you wish to by selecting the trapeziums, and we get this animate object button becomes available. So when we animate the object, we can then increase the number of trapezia. Okay. There's actually more benefit in decreasing the number of trapezia, because then we can illustrate how less trapezia make the answer less accurate, but more trapezia make the answer more accurate. We can, from there, if we wanted to, just have a little explore of the other rules. So here we are using the midpoint rule. So we've split that area, we're approximating that area by 4 rectangles, with the midpoint of each rectangle being the height of the curve. We can, if we wanted to, do rectangles touching the curve on the left or rectangles touching the curve on the right. And so therefore you can use those 2 ideas to pin the estimate for the area under the curve. Going back to the trapezium rule, we're able to then manipulate these points, so we can stretch them out and we can do with them as we wish, so this thing becomes alive and dynamic. It's very easy then to talk about whether it's an underestimate or an overestimate and the reasons why.